And welcome back. Let's kick things off with football, shall we? Reggae Girlz ambassador Cedella Marley has launched a stinging attack at the Jamaica Football Federation as the national women's team gets ready for another international assignment. But as we'll hear in this report, the JFF has refuted some of Marley's claims.
The latest development came with the JFF having trouble to find the necessary funding to stage a camp for the Reggae Girlz ahead of the Pan American Games in Peru. But in a quick move, Reggae Girlz ambassador Cedella Marley was able to generate the $42,000 funding, which came with conditions.
We would book the airline tickets with our credit cards, we would book the hotel with our credit cards, and the transportation with our credit cards. We told the JFF that was the position of our major sponsor, and they declined because they requested that the funds be sent to them. And that just was not something that we were prepared to do.
But the JFF was having none of it, as Marley was told by the Director of Marketing, Sophia Harris-Law, that all funds must be paid over to the Federation.
But there is a trend that has been happening where the Federation is being defamed and people are being told not to give the Federation money, which is going to ruin the future of the Federation's being able to fund its 14 national teams, leagues, and grassroots program.
However, Marley hit back, saying that over the years, money has been sent to the JFF through Alacran, but they've not received an audited report as to how it has been spent.
Because Alacran had spent a lot of money over the last year on, the women's program. And until they couldn't get an audit done, they really want to manage how the monies are now spent going forward.
So I'm not understanding because there have been budgets submitted to all sponsors. The Bob Marley Foundation is not our only sponsor.
But speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, JFF President Michael Ricketts says Marley isn't allowed to pay per diem as per FIFA regulations.
So they can pay the hotel, they can pay transportation, they can do all they want to do, but the per diem must come through this. And all they need to do is we provide them with a list of players and what the per diem will be, and they make the check and we just pay it over to the player.
Ricketts is now ready to extend the olive branch to Marley as they look to continue their working relationship.
We don't want to hurt the relationship. We and I have requested a meeting with Cedella. We want to work closely as it relates to our female program. The camp will go on. We will, in fact, I spoke with Bruce Gaynor this morning, and the directive was that he must go ahead and organize the camp.
The Jamaicans are drawn in Group A of the Pan American Games against Mexico, Costa Rica, and Panama.